How to correct ink absorption method of UV flatbed printer head. Microlurprint Technology Co. Ltd. The UV printer nozzle can absorb ink independently. So many users think that since the ink absorption program runs completely autonomously, there is no need for operational help. This idea is wrong. The independent ink absorption of the flatbed printer has a certain loss of the nozzle, which is easy. The UV printer nozzle can absorb ink independently. So many users think that since the ink absorption program runs completely autonomously, there is no need for operational help. This idea is wrong. The independent ink absorption of the flatbed printer has a certain loss of the nozzle, which is easy to cause the nozzle to fail and shortens its service life of the nozzle. Therefore, it is necessary to learn to use the ink absorption operation of the nozzle of the flatbed printer correctly. When the flatbed UV printer absorbs ink independently, the ink supply system will respond to it. Therefore, when performing the correct ink absorption operation of the flatbed printer nozzle, pay attention to the following 3 points. First, due to the small nozzles of the flatbed printer nozzle, it cannot withstand excessive external pressure. Therefore, when absorbing ink, pay attention to the word slow, control the ink supply speed, and do not flood it violently. Second, when absorbing ink, it is best to maintain an acute angle of 30 degrees between the ink absorber and the UV printer nozzle, which is more conducive to the smooth ink supply. Third, after the nozzle of the flatbed printer completes the ink absorption, remove the ink absorber after 1 to 2 minutes so that the ink is completely absorbed and will not drip. The flatbed printer should also pay attention to ensuring that the cable is dry and clean during the ink absorption operation, and does not let the ink splash or flow into other systems of the UV printer, thereby burning the components. Whether the nozzle of the flatbed printer can perform the correct and standardized ink absorption procedure is an important guarantee to ensure the smooth printing of the flatbed printer.